Welcome once again to TUNEE. If you're looking to do a little bit more in TUNEE, such as get stems, all you need to do is go to your song. For example, this one is a song I recorded not long ago. When the song is rendered, you have three dots over here. Click on those three dots and then hit Get Stems. When you hit Get Stems, it tells you it's going to take you 4 credits. So I can split your music into individual stems, vocal, drums, bass, and so on. It takes about 60 seconds. If you hit Start Now, it shows you the progress at the top right, separating stems, as you can see over there. And in about a minute, it will notify you when the deed is done, and you'll be able to download your stems. So let's give it a little bit of time. And I expect to see a notification pop up as the download begins. Also, while we're here, if you hover over those three dots, you can do any of the following. You could download the track. You could share the track with someone outside of TUNEE. You could get a copyright certificate for the track. And you can also make a video, which will cost you some credits. It's not what I would advise. But anyway, it looks like it's downloading, as you can see the progress over here. So it shows one download in progress. When the download is completed, you'll be able to open whatever was downloaded and you'll be able to get your tracks. So you can see it says the zip file, Spice that keeps me warm. You obviously can't see it, but it will download a zip file that looks something like this. Let's go there. Something like this. You see that? So it will download all of this stuff that you're seeing, and you'll be able to extract all and unzip it all. So we've got bass, drums, other vocal, just like that. Let me open up one just so you can hear it. It's taken a while for it to download in zip form. And there it is. And I must say, it doesn't sound too bad. It's rather clean. Now, if you listen to the entire thing, or the instrumental, let's just hear the instrumental with some bass, drums, and anything else. So as you can hear, that is a rather clean mix, rather clean, and TUNEE does good work. I know a lot of people don't know about TUNEE yet, but as more people begin to find out more and more about it, I'm sure they'll be gravitating towards TUNEE, because clean mix, very little hallucination. I just absolutely love it. All right. So anyway, thank you for the person who sent the question in asking about the TUNEE stems. I hope this answers your question. Yes, you can absolutely download those stems and do a lot more in TUNEE. Bye for now.